Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil ETF ticker symbol USO. Today crude oil is up around 1.4% and we still have majority of the trading hours to go. And on the 1 hour chart we are reaching an overbought level on the 1 hour RSI, and on the 4 hour chart we see the MACD turning positive. That's a positive sign for the bulls. On the daily chart, ideally if we were to move up higher, I want the MACD to turn negative, but only one part of the MACD is negative. I want this yellow line to turn negative as well, and then we shoot up and go on higher. That indicates a refresh point for the MACD and new strength. So if we were to find a resistance, the resistance will be this high in April 23rd at the price of 13.80 cents, and that will be resistance. On the other hand, if we were to find support, support will be the 100-day and 500 or 150-day moving averages, which are these two lines, and they will eventually converge and the price will meet roughly around 12.11. I expect that to reach sometime soon, but not now. But as you also notice, if we make this an uptrend, you start to notice that we broke down the uptrend right here. So we found support here, here, and then we close right below it. So that indicates the uptrend is no longer there, but that doesn't mean we won't meet back here again. So if we were to move up higher, that price movement will be approximately 4.7% move up, and if we were to move down, that price movement will be about 8% move down. On to the next module. So I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to June 4th, 2007 to August 28th, 2007. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is an uptrend that finds support on or touching the middle Bollinger Band, and we have another instance here and one more instance here, and then we finally broke through. But first let me draw the up channel, what we have here, and then we finally touch the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and then we see an attempt currently at touching the middle Bollinger Band. And onto the chart in question. So what we have here is an uptrend for several weeks, and we find support on the middle Bollinger Bands 3 instances or 3 times. So we have that in beginning trend and second bounce, and then we found some support but opened up much lower the next day. So we ended up touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and we'll make this red, and then an attempt right here to touch the middle Bollinger Band. And as you notice, this chart may be ahead of the current trend, so we might see a possibility of touching middle Bollinger Band and retreating down and touching the middle Bollinger Band once more. So I'll mark this as a possibility and make this teal. So this is for future reference. And we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and need to make this red. So if the trend or the patterns are similar, there's reason to believe that the forecasts or outcome would also be similar. Let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day, where USO or WTI crude oil will head to next day. Again, the chart that we took a look at was June 4th, 2007 to August 28th, 2007, or August 28th, 2007. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Back then in 2007, WTI was up around 6.6% in 7 days, and here's the line graph that I compared it to. So this is the current trend, and overlapped it with the 2007 trend, and as you can see, they overlap each other quite well. And that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.